and I need to re-extract my data and confirm. It gets so boring. I think the people they want something which make them smart, make people that help make decisions. They would like to operate smart systems. And at the moment, they're just stuck with a massive Excel, massive data. And what they hear very often from all the C-level and the exec is you may be being replaced by AI in some months or some years. I think it's happening, but exactly as for one AI, you need a very good prompt person that asks exactly the good questions and is very very well educated on how to use the AI. I think deploying massive automation is also could be a problem if you start doing it on a process which is not very well streamlined. And if it was producing faster and better, say you remove this robot, a man or woman will do better. So
Yeah.
it was a fantastic DDMRP implementer, I would say. I don't really know how the product are flowing there and what are the overall mechanism with their supply chain. So Elon Musk say any manager should spend at least 20% of his time doing the same thing as operators, as planners. You need to practice to understand why they will consider that they are doing a tough job, which sometimes is not a nonsense because of the system and because of the logic.